Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make burger tikki without breadcrumbs. Start by mixing minced meat or mashed chickpeas with grated potato and carrot, chopped onions, garlic, and spices. Add a beaten egg or flax egg to bind, then season generously with salt, pepper, and garam masala. Shape patties, chill briefly to set, and pan fry until golden. Serve hot with chutney or yogurt and enjoy the crisp, juicy result. Here are practical binder swaps that keep your tikki juicy and bread-free. Mashed potato or sweet potato gives creaminess and mild sweetness, while rolled oats or cooked quinoa add structure without masking flavor. Chickpea flour, also called besan, soaks up moisture and crisps nicely when fried. Adjust quantities so the mix holds when pressed. Too wet and patties fall apart, too dry and they become dense. Aim for a tacky, moldable texture. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation. A fun read called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and help you budget better for quality groceries and kitchen tools. Check the description for the book link and other deals if you want to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Small technique tweaks make a big difference for breadcrumb-free tikkis. Preheat the skillet so patties sear immediately and develop a golden crust that prevents sticking. Resist pressing while cooking so juices stay locked in and the interior remains tender. For thicker patties, sear both sides, then cover and lower the heat to finish cooking through without burning the exterior. Rest briefly after cooking to let flavors settle before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.